So we're here at the Seaside Heights Truck Show. I finally got the Duramax cleaned up. It's the cleanest it's been in God knows how long. Let's take a closer look. I tried really hard to get the wheel wells spotless as well as the rest of the truck. Everything is looking pretty good, pretty shiny. And we've been here for over an hour and a half. And I finally just finished up getting the truck, you know, looking decent because it's been dirty. And yeah, it's been annoying me. I got my son with me at the truck show. Say what's up, Xander. Hey, say, what is that right there?
That's your picture.
Yep, it is. Come on, let's go.
Okay, come in.
So we're gonna walk around and take a look at all these trucks. Yeah. That's a drone, yep. My brother's back with me today on the vlog. What do you think of all the trucks?
I'm not impressed.
Yeah.
No, it's good. No, it's awesome.
He says I'm not impressed.
Look at that one, yeah.
Monster truck. We call it monster truck.
Yep, he's calling them monster trucks. They are definitely monster trucks. My son was referring to these over here and calling them a monster truck, and they are definitely huge. I do like this F250 over here and the F350. I would definitely pick the 250. I like the white color, although I like the wheels better on the 350. This is 2017 and up, and I believe that one over there it's looking like an 03, 04, but I could be wrong. Super Duty F250 right here. Got a Ford Raptor right there. This is the older Raptor. It's a 6.2 liter. It's the best one. So you guys got to check out this massive Ram 3500 sitting on an 11-inch mcgaughys. I'm going to show you guys the truck.
I don't even really know what else to do. Pop the hood. Let me look at it. I'm doing an oil.
This is the owner of the truck right here. 11-inch mcgaughys.
I got my fins.
Pop the hood and bend over like
Here you go. Keep going.
There you go.
I'm reaching out to I'm not gonna lie.
This truck is absolutely huge. It makes me want to get one.
I know this is risky business, you and me.
What do you think?
Open the door more, make her fall.
What do you think? 11-inch mcgaughys, man. Oh, yes, nice. So 24 by 14, they're 40s, 15.5 wide tires. It's huge.
All right. Oh, well, hey now.
Oh, there you go.
Xander, what's that right there?
Big truck.
Yeah, it is a big truck. So this is a very clean Cummins right here. This Ram is spotless. It's got a BDS kit, 4.5-inch, running 35s. Super Duty here is absolutely gorgeous. Love these American Force wheels. The green is absolutely amazing. I don't know why, but with this color and this setup, it just plain works. 8-inch tip in the back, looks like a 5-inch exhaust. Pro Comp suspension. It's a very beautiful truck if you ask me. A lot of Super Duties here today. The blue one here is nice as well. It's probably the biggest Super Duty here. And the 89 to 94 Toyota. How can we forget that? These things were totally badass back in the 80s. I remember seeing it for the first time in Back to the Future. It was absolutely phenomenal, that black truck with the roof rack lights and everything like that. It was just a phenomenal truck, and now I look back, it's got the retrofit LED headlights and all kinds of stuff done. Very nice truck. It's very hard to find these. In fact, this is probably the first one I've seen on the road in over 10 years. I love it. Good turnout today, a lot of trucks. So they're doing trophies now at the show. You can see my brother and my son are coming right behind me. We're gonna see what happens here. I don't expect to win a trophy, but we'll see what happens.
5-4.
Xander, wanna come with Daddy?
Yep, we're gonna take this with you.
Jordan Wilson, 5-5.
Yeah, he has to take that with him, doesn't he?
All right, we're gonna do class number 6. Chevy GMC 4-wheel drive gas pickup. Lucano 6-5. Corey, I don't
So we got this Ram 2500 Cummins. We're gonna be doing a review on it shortly, hopefully. He's got some things in the works. Love the grill and the lights up front. Even the amber lights on the bottom look great. Gonna be fully deleted. Stuff's gonna start falling off, right?
Hell yeah.
Got the LED tails. Little cameo for you in this video. One of my subscribers caught me at the show. Nice truck. We're gonna be reviewing his truck sometime this month or next month.
Oh, make sure you tell them all he actually placed and won in this.
Oh yeah. We're gonna be reviewing this Ram 1500 RT. Very sweet truck, nice wheels. We're gonna be doing up a review. Just gotta hit me up and we'll get it done. Okay, so check this out. This guy won a trophy in a suburban rental SUV. Yes, that's right. This is a rental truck, and he won. He won in this truck.
He actually won a trophy.
It's not even clean.
The bugs and the nicks are just extra added horsepower.
This rental Suburban won a trophy today. Can you believe that?
I think they're yelling for you.
A rental Suburban wins
Yeah.
a trophy. So we got Frank here, and we're gonna review. Used to be a Trailblazer, but now it's a Sonic for short. Yeah, it's a Sonic. Right on the ground. This is like 2-3 inches, if from the ground, if that. But we're gonna review it before we get crazy weather. So yeah, custom Trailblazer that he code names the Sonic. I like that screen right there too. Custom screen.
Screens in total?
How many?
14 in total.
Holy crap, 14 screens. They're all hidden, I'd imagine.
TV's facing outside.
We're gonna be reviewing this for sure. Wow, look at this is like what you'd see back in 05, 06.
Yep, 100%.
This kind of thing stopped about 12 years ago, but it's amazing because you are running the punches. Oh my God, this is a very, very expensive amp back in the day.
Back in the day.
It was like $2 grand.
I wouldn't trade these for nothing in the world now. People offer me money now. I was like, nah, I'm good with them.
He's running 312s. Got the color monitors, Dreamcast, Wii. It's got Sonic right up there, which matches the truck perfectly.
Brushing on the headlight.
Oh yeah, you don't see stuff like this anymore.
Nah,
this
it's
is
old school. You don't see stuff like this.
leather. This is back in my area. You've even got the blue and the gold with the Dreamcast. Cody, come look at this.
I see Sonic wears the Dreamcast and I saw the remote.
100%.
Now, would you
even keep it more retro? Look at the B pillar.
This is like,
To plug in the Dreamcast
this is
controller.
pimp my ride type stuff.
Yeah.
This goes back to when I was in high school.
No, go for it.
Cody, is this not 2003
retro.
stuff?
Oh yeah.
If you weren't getting creative, you weren't winning.
Oh,
if
right.
you weren't
Yeah.
winning, you weren't getting sponsors, you weren't getting the car.
Absolutely.
This
man.
is
When
what
I
it would
first started,
take.
was
So
like-
I started building literally in 2000, 2001, 2002. So in
Same
that
with us.
era,
Yep.
it's either you go hard or don't go to a
Yeah,
show.
when I was
Don't
in-
build a car.
It's absolutely. When I was in high school, I was like 15. We were working on cars, and we would
Love
go
the
to a
riv
car
nuts.
show,
Thank you,
and
man.
guys would have $20,000 put into their Honda Civic, and they would have custom
I was-
paint job. The
I
whole
was
interior was painted.
I was one of those.
Yeah, 100%. I mean, even still one of those guys now. I was dead ass dumping money into this truck every month, every 2 months. I'm talking about radios, speakers, and subs, and swapping it out. It didn't work. I didn't like it. I would sell it for crap. Get another set. I got the sticker book. I got the receipt book at home from the history of the damn thing. But it's one of those things that unfortunately the scene has changed so much that the car guys now don't appreciate builds like this.
They don't. It's a waste of money to them.
It's a waste of money, or we're considered racers. But at the end of the day,
This is real car enthusiasm.
unfortunately, this is where it's at. This is where it began. This is the foundation. Because if you weren't getting creative, like I remember when my first car show ever, I parked next to a truck that had marble floor. Let's take a minute
Marble
to
floor.
really get that in.
Sink that in there. Marble.
Marble floor from a house on the floor of a truck, and the truck was done like insane. Bags, full airbrush. I'm talking about the whole truck was just airbrush paint. So at the end of the day, I saw that, I was like,
I just
All right, I
noticed.
gotta put my. I gotta step it up, or I gotta pick another hobby.
Well, that is going to do it for today's video. I had an absolute blast at the show with my brother and my son, and you can see that I won Best GM Chevy Diesel 4-wheel drive pickup. There was like 10 of us there, and it was a lot of fun. I can't believe I won. It was totally unexpected, but Mad Max is looking pretty damn good if you ask me. If you're new to the channel, don't forget, subscribe, thumbs up, comment below. You guys know the deal. For all my returning subscribers, thanks so much for watching all my videos. Be sure to check out DrivewayDemons.com. Get your t-shirts there. Key tag to say Mopar, no car, flip it over, and they say Driveway Demons. Don't forget the hoodies are there as well. Support the channel, DrivewayDemons.com, and share the channel and the videos everywhere. But on this very rainy evening after the show, take care and have a great day.